I'm gonna post it in the evening, so please stay tuned. And if you are new, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you get notified every single time I post not recipes, sorry, because I also post recipes. Anytime I post videos, so you guys are gonna get notified. But yeah, I just finished my lunch while editing, and gonna get some other work done. Guys, I'm done with the editing, and my package just came, so I'm gonna go pick up the package. It's from a brand, it's an online thing called Temu, Temu. The products are the price is so cheap. Like, I'm not telling about clothes or something, but like kitchen stuff, you know, small things that you don't realize that, oh, you get this also, you get this also, stuff like that. So I'm gonna go take out the package. Marvel is just chilling here. Aiden is still sleeping. It's already 2:30, so he would be sleeping for another 45 minutes. And then, yep, the package is here. There's the package. So I'm very excited to show you guys. I ordered this, like, it takes like 10 days to come, so not that bad actually. And let's check out the products. So I ordered stuff worth of $20, and there are like 15 items in here, so you can imagine it's like super cheap. And the quality is not bad because this is my second time ordering from them, so. Alright, the first thing I ordered is this hand cleaning brush. Because to clean your showers and stuff, because the one that I had, I lost it while moving, so I wanted something new, so this is what I got. Oh, it's nice actually. It's sturdy, it's nice. So obviously I'm gonna use it and let you guys know how it is. And then the next thing is this is one, yeah, 2 of them. So I got these are black color thingies that you can see. It has a thing, so when we put the gas range, and there's a little bit gap between the gas range and the countertop, and food goes in there, so this is for that spot, so nothing goes in there and you can wipe it clean. Once I place it, I will show it to you. So I got 2 of these for both the sides. And then this is the most funny thing. I've been meaning to get this for such a long time. This is from my aunt. And I told him to use this every day. So this is basically for him to use it when he's shaving his face, so that nothing drops on the sink. Everything this thing will catch it, and then you can just throw it. So it's easy to maintain a little bit. So it comes with a vacuum thingy, so you can stick it in the mirror, and that's it. So yeah, oh, yep, like this. Where's the other one? And there it goes. So you basically put this on like this, and then you stick this in the mirror, and then you shave, and everything will just fall here. You guys know I'm a clean freak, so I try to find stuff that makes my life easier. So this is for my uncle. And then what is this? Oh, I ordered some posters for Aiden's play area. Now I just have to put them in the frame, and I can frame it. It's like play all day, it says. these are really small. Actually, I thought they would be big, but yeah, it says play all day. I actually thought they're gonna be big, but yeah, one is this, and these three. So yeah, I'm gonna put these in his play area, and this is, like I told you, when you browse their website, their app, you're gonna be like, oh, this thing exists. It's so cool. So this is I know some of you gonna make fun of me, but trust me, it makes a lot of sense and it makes your life easier. So this thing is basically you just take this and you put it in your Tide, your liquid detergent bottle, keeping it lying down, and you put it and you keep the cap here. Once I put it, I'll show it to you. It'll make sense that time. Next, I got these little thingies for the wire holder, so that I could put my wire, and because it keeps falling down in the nightstand, so you just put the wire here. I have like a couple of them here. And then, oh yeah, this is the rug gripper, anti-slip rug grip. My one kind of went bad, so I got new ones. And then this one is a brush to wash shoes, scrub shoes basically. We have a couple of white shoes, and in general those shoes that you can wash like this. Oh, the brush is like super strong and nice, so it's gonna clean it very nicely. Like I said again, these are not the stuff like small little things, you know. It's not like clothing or any of those stuff. And I'll also show you another vlog what I got for the first time from Temu, which I was very impressed with. So, and then this thing, this brush is to clean the dryer where all the lint goes, and your vacuum doesn't go in to suck out all the lint, like the excess ones. This brush will just go in and take everything out. So this is for that. Cool. So that was it for the Temu package. Perfect. Now I'm just gonna put these grippers, and yeah, and when I put this, let me put this and I'll show you first actually. So this is how this thing goes in here. These were the ones that were here before, and it's very like loose, and then even iron can just pull it from here, and it has sharp edges, so I didn't want to keep this anymore. So yeah, it goes on both the sides and it's perfect. So I just woke up and he is playing with my cleaning brush. Can you say hi? And say hi. Say hi. Say hi, everybody. His hair is like really long. Hi, are you saying hi? Good job. So I always do a pony, and then people confuse him with girl all the time. He's drinking his milk, and we are waiting for Mayang to get off his work so we can go to some Indian store and get some mangoes, because they have like Kent mango recently. So yeah, and he is Mr. Independent, drinking baba on his own. And then I did take out salmon. I'm defrosting. I don't know what we're gonna do for dinner, because let me show you. Normally we have started making meal plans, and it's so much helpful. Now you can see the dinner is empty. Lunch we normally do smoothies, so we always write down the breakfast and dinner. And because this week's dinner, this week's meal plan, we couldn't complete it for whatsoever reason. I am struggling to think what to make for dinner. I mean, honestly, it has been such a relief for me since we started making the meal plans. I don't have to text him and ask him, because I know what to do, and whenever I get time I do the prep. But today I'm like, I don't know, I have some veggies but I don't know what to make, because my time management is all messed up just because of not writing it down. Alrighty. Oh, we did not take out the mangoes, babe, from the car? Oh. Huh. we went to India, so we got mangoes, scanned 2 boxes. They were really good. So now right now I'm gonna be making dinner. For dinner I am, like I said, I'm gonna do sweet potatoes with some rice, coconut rice, and some salmon. So that's what me and Iden's gonna eat. Mayank doesn't eat salmon, so he's gonna eat pav bhaji, because these ones. So these are the thing, these are the packets for rainy days, for like today, from Cumin Club. They are basically dehydrated, so, and have very clean ingredients, so that's why he's gonna use this. And yeah, let me quickly prep. Also, we went to Publix because I had something, and then I got fried chicken and popcorn fried chicken, and I got this spicy fried chicken with sauce. Oh my god, they are so spicy and they're so good. I've never tried them first time, but so good. Making coconut rice. I really need to get a tripod because right now it's standing on my water cup, so the height level is really off. Look. But anyways, I'm making coconut rice, so I have some sticky rice here. I usually use sushi rice. I love that. And then I add 1 can of coconut milk, and then I just stir it. I add a little bit of salt, a little bit of sugar, and then that's it. And then I just see if I need to add more water to it. Usually it's fine, but if you need more water because of the quantity of the rice, you can always add more water to it. Trust me, it tastes so good with any kind of meat like fish and stuff. So good. Potatoes are all done. Look at that. It's just for me and Aiden, so that's why I did not do a lot of it. And then salmon is also done. Me and Aiden, but also there's gonna be leftovers, so I'm just gonna keep that in the fridge. And tomorrow or something, I'm gonna make like a salmon bowl or something. So look at that. Oh, nice and delicious and juicy. Alrighty, my dinner is ready. Coconut rice, salmon, and sweet potato. And Aiden's dinner is also ready. It's just chilling a little bit over here. Rice, salmon, and sweet potato. And Mayank's dinner is also ready. It's pav bhaji. Here's the bhaji. Look at that. And he's gonna eat it with bread, right? Yep. Dinner is over. I've cleaned up the kitchen and everything. Mayank and Aiden went upstairs. I'm gonna go give Aiden his bath and then put him to sleep. So I think that's it for today. Thank you for coming and watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.